Sri Rama exiled Sita Devi when she was pregnant when a washerman taught her chastity. But have you thought why Sri Rama did not try to prove Sita Devi's purity once again through Agni-Pariksha and instead chose to exile her? This is a fascinating story from the Padma Purana which takes place during Sita's childhood. One day, young Sita was playing with her friends when she noticed the pair of parrots, a male and a female, enjoying each other's company. They were talking about someone named Sri Rama and his dear wife Sita. Curious about their conversation, the little Sita asked the parrots where they heard the story. The parrots explained that they had visited Valmiki's Ashrama, where the sage was narrating the future adventures of Sri Rama and his beloved wife Sita to his disciples. They overheard that Sri Rama, his brother Lakshmana, along with Saint Vishwamitra, would come to Michila and marry his beautiful wife Sita. Fascinated by this story, Sita asked the female parrot for more details. Unaware of Sita's true identity, the female parrot described Sri Rama's physical appearance and virtues. After listening, Sita revealed her identity and captured the female parrot and promised to release the bird after she married Sri Rama. Distressed by Sita's action, the female parrot requested to set her free, explaining that she was pregnant and would return after delivering her babies. However, Sita was adamant with her decision. The male parrot even threatened to kill himself if Sita did not release his wife. Despite both the parrots' requests, Sita did not listen and kept the female parrot captive in a cage. Heartbroken, the female parrot cursed Sita, saying that she would be separated from Sri Rama during her pregnancy, just as she was separated from her husband and then died. In an anger and grief, the male parrot vowed revenge by declaring that he would be reborn as a washerman whose accusation would lead to Sita's exile. After this declaration, he jumped into a nearby river and ended his life. Overall, this story from the Pachala Kanda in the Padma Purana illustrates how an innocent encounter with the parrots and their curse set the stage for a significant event in the Ramayana. It also explains why Sita Devi was sent into an exile instead of undergoing another Agni-Pariksha to prove her innocence. To listen to such stories, stay subscribed. Until then, stay together and learn together.